Hey, I bet you don't know what this is. And I'll be honest, it was my first time working with MEMS devices, so I was kind of bit ignorant about the term. But let me just tell you that these devices are used mostly as microphone in laptop and cell phone, and it might also be used in ceiling microphone for conferencing system. Basically, the top part here is the MEMS, and this huge and ugly board is only a breakout board to connect it directly to a XLR plug. Operates only on a maximum of 3.3 volt. So I found it risky using phantom power to power up this little guy. So I supplied it with a C2025 small battery, which provide 2.5 volt or 1.8 volt. I'm not sure. I'll check. But it's perfect to power up this microphone. And then we go to the XLR plug, so I can connect it directly to my Zoom. And today the goal is to is to test the sonority, how it sounds. Okay, so this is the sound of my voice into the MEMS, just so you can get a reference of how it sounds if you want to record that with your voice. And that was it. So apologize, the guitar play felt a bit rusty, but let me know in the comment how do you think this little MEMS microphone sounded. And who knows, in a future video, I might just compare all the microphone I've built so far, and I might as well add maybe a SM57 and a Rode K2 in the mix, so we can compare like professional microphone with basic circuit as this one, and we can throw the pentaphonic microphone in the mix also, and compare all of these beautiful microphones, so we can compare the strong and the weaker point of every kind type of microphone. That's it, and stay tuned for all my other videos about microphone, synthesizer, in invention and gadget. See ya.
Son, how do you push stop on that?